What do you mean he removed the wrong teeth? That's exactly what the mother said when the orthodontist told her that the dentist removed the wrong teeth. You want to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. She was only 15 years old. She went to the orthodontist to have braces, and now the orthodontist said, listen, you need a couple of teeth extracted to make room in your mouth for the adult teeth to come down. I'm going to send off this letter to your dentist specifying exactly which teeth need to be removed. And by the way, these are all baby teeth. So now she then makes an appointment to go to the dentist to have the teeth extracted. Mom takes the daughter. Now they meet the dentist for the very first time, and the dentist goes ahead, sees the letter that the doctor had sent, that the orthodontist had sent over, and begins to go ahead and extract those teeth. Now, 6 months later, the patient returns back to the orthodontist for follow-up. The orthodontist goes ahead and checks and says, okay, your adult teeth have not yet come in. Come back in another 6 months, let's see how you're doing. 6 months later, mom comes back into the office with her daughter, and now this time the orthodontist takes x-rays. The orthodontist is looking at the x-rays, and he has this perplexed look on his face. And mom says, what's the problem? He says, I'm looking and looking, I'm trying to find the 2 adult teeth that are supposed to be here. I can't find them. And mom said, what do you mean you can't find them? We went to the dentist like you told us to. He removed the teeth you told him to. So where are those teeth? He goes ahead, gets the original x-rays, and compares the original x-rays with the x-rays that he now has. And you know what he finds? He finds that the dentist took out 2 adult teeth and left in the 2 baby teeth. And you might be asking yourself, how is that possible? How could the dentist not know the difference between 2 baby teeth and 2 adult teeth? We wound up having to bring a lawsuit against the dentist for not taking out the right teeth. And because of the fact that he now removed the 2 adult teeth, which never, ever should have been removed, now this young girl will likely need implants and surgical procedures to make sure those stay in and stay there for the rest of her life. So why do I tell you this remarkable story? I tell it to you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in these types of medical malpractice cases, dental malpractice cases here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.